Okay, time for step 3. Step 3 is enumeration. In the enumeration technique, we will try to discover more information about a specific target system. So after scanning and defining which targets to attack or penetrate, we need to now identify some deep information. It's kind of like gathering information, but in an advanced way. So let's say that we are trying to enumerate an Active Directory server. We would try LDAP enumeration here. LDAP enumeration can give us user accounts, groups, computer accounts, Active Directory, and so on. Now, if we are trying to enumerate a particular Windows machine, not necessarily a joint or Active Directory domain, we can use IPC enumeration. This is done by using the command on CMD. If we are trying to enumerate a Linux machine, we can use RPC communication. We have RPC client that can help us do the enumeration on Linux. Now, besides that, let's take a look at how many applications we have for enumeration. Now, if you're not aware of the application names, you can simply go to Google, find out which application suits your target best. So let's go and navigate to information gathering, and we're going to check out a couple of these applications. If you go to DNS, we have an SNMP analysis. We have 161, which is a great tool to enumerate SNMP services. We also have DNS Enum, which I believe is going to be in DNS analysis. We also have DNS Reconnaissance. DNS Recon is a good application for enumerating DNS servers. For each of the services or the command services, there will be an enumerator. All right, so now let's go back to Active Directory at this point. We are targeting an Active Directory service, and we want to enumerate that service. We have a lot of tools that work on a Windows platform that are great to enumerate LDAP. Now, of course, there are applications that can be installed on your Linux machine that you can use to enumerate the LDAP service, although this is not something for the Windows platform. Okay, it's a standard that we can use on any platform we'd like. All right, now you can see here that all the enumeration applications fall under information gathering. So here's a question: why didn't we cover information gathering as step 1? Well, the answer is simple. It's because enumeration falls after the step of enumeration, or enumerating systems falls after scanning. So again, when you define your target of attack or the point of attack, you want to find more information which is specific to that exact operating system or device.
Once the basic and requisite info is gathered, next is to carry out penetration testing. Penetration testing is a method of evaluating security levels of a particular system or network. It helps you determine the flaws related to hardware and software. The early identification helps protect the network. If the vulnerabilities aren't identified early, they become an easy source for the attacker for the intrusion.